Hello and welcome everyone, Dante here. I hope you're all doing well. This is the fourth video of Gemini Man Warehouse Manager tutorial collection. It will focus on how to backup and restore apps. Backups are mainly used for non-Play Store apps known as side-loaded apps. You can organize backups by selecting the apps and giving the backup meaningful name such as watch faces, games, media apps, and so on. When you want to share several apps with friends, it is better to share via backup. They can import your backup and restore. Before I start, just to be clear, I'm using Samsung DeX, so my phone screen is on my computer screen. So let's dive right in. First, let me open the app and connect to my watch. After the watch is connected, press the backup and restore button. Choose backup. Then select the apps you want to backup. After that, you can choose to only backup or save the backup list before performing the backup itself. This is handy if you want to always backup specific apps and not everything. I'm gonna go with the backup only. You can keep the backup folder name as it is or give it a meaningful name. I select 3 watch faces, so I'm going to name the backup watch faces. In case you want to go back to the default name, you can press on use default. It will give you the default name. If you have a custom name, then press proceed. Wait for the app to perform ADB pull. You can see the messages and logs for detailed info about every pull. Once done, the backup is complete. Choose Restore. Pick the backup you wish to restore. I'm going to go and select the last backup I created, watch faces. You can select individual apps or you can press on all to restore everything. In here, I'm going to select 2 apps and click on restore. Wait for ADB to perform the install. You can see the messages and logs for detailed info about every install. Once done, the restore is complete. If you encounter error in logs, long press that particular text and search Google for the error. However, if the app shows an error without anything specific, do reach out to me so I can adjust the code to print out more details about it. The error does not mean the application is not working, rather the watch is rejecting the APK you're trying to install for security or APK related problems. If you do not configure auto export backups, you need to export them manually, otherwise all backups are lost when you uninstall the application. And that's it for how to backup and restore apps. If this video was useful, please leave a like, it really helps out. If you have any questions, feel free to drop a comment below. Or reach me out on any of my social media. I am more than happy to help. If you're enjoying Gemini Man Warehouse Manager, consider sharing it with your friends so more people can benefit from it. Just a reminder, as a developer who dedicates free time to creating apps and watch faces, everything I publish is completely free with no ads, so your support is highly appreciated. In the next video of the series, we will continue exploring everything Gemini Man Warehouse Manager has to offer. See you.